Hello again. Right, so grabbed another 5 pips on this. Excuse me. Here we go. Little bit of drawdown, but nothing even remotely worrying. About 12 pips, I suppose. Targeting the weekly low. We know how much old support likes to be tested as new resistance. I took my target a little bit short of that. I didn't mention this in the previous video, but no, this move here was based on the 5 minute crossing the 20 level on the RSI, and then you can start to build up. And I don't mention this enough actually, that the power on the 15 minute was there as well. And then as you move up the time frames, and how much I really love this 30 minute, if your RSI is still moving upwards, massive 30 minute candle, break of the 20 level there, what is that telling you? You've got your bust and your break and close. It's got massive momentum to that, in this instance, the long side. We've even got the hourly busted just in my previous in the previous hour. We're now 48 minutes into the new hour, and this is how to use this RSI histo alert properly, in my opinion. Always be aware of what the higher time frames are doing. This is turning green from red, massive green one there, then the pullback, then the continuation. This could close red and be and the resistance is held. We've also got these resistance levels, H4, telling us that this was going to be a potential problem and a target. And all of this move has come from this massive weekly candle last week, expecting to have a reversal. So I mean, it's no surprise now that New Zealand dollar is showing weak, and euro a bit stronger, but not necessarily the strongest pair against it. So USD NZD is probably a good looking chart, and I haven't got it on my list here, so I'm not really going to bother with it. NZD USD, I do apologise. Let's have a look at that, and have a look on the H1. New Zealand dollar weak, US dollar strong, and the New Zealand dollar is crashing. So we had a confirmation down on the H1 there, and then a pullback, and then a continuation, so down to S1. So no surprises there either. So interesting morning's trading, all taken from the power of the reversals. And remember, you cannot firstly, disclaimer, don't trade anything I talk about, trade your own analysis. Look at that go now. And never just enter these trades willy-nilly. Do your analysis. This RSI histo is solid gold in my opinion, and we've moved 142 pips today, against, you could say, the major trend. But all that's happened is they've found buyers at support or demand, whatever you want to call it, and there's just no more sellers left. But really and truthfully, it's just the as far as I'm concerned, it's the institutions just messing with it. It's all manipulated, it's all smoke and mirrors. Retail traders are a drop in the ocean, a grain of sand compared to the manipulation that goes on by the institution. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, have a great day. 4 trades, 4 winners on Monday morning.